What if Hannibal had brought siege engines across the Alps in 218 BC instead of just elephants and troops? The Carthaginian general's legendary march over the mountains shocked Rome, but his army lacked the tools to breach the city's massive walls. With siege towers and battering rams, Rome would have fallen within months. The Second Punic War would have ended before it truly began. No Roman Empire means no Latin spreading across Europe, no Roman roads connecting continents. Christianity would have remained a small Jewish sect, never spreading through Roman networks to become a world religion. The Mediterranean would have stayed under Carthaginian control for centuries. European languages would look completely different. Legal systems would follow Carthaginian models, and architecture would lack those iconic Roman arches. No Roman influence means no foundation for what we call Western civilization. The Renaissance, the Enlightenment, even modern democracy might never have emerged, all because of a few wooden machines left behind in the snow.